Today I whipped out my old paintbrushes from high school because I'm going to paint my very first keycap that I've made. I just 3D printed it. It looks like a little dice, so we have to paint the dots in. And do not ask me what was going through my mind when I just smothered the black paint all over the face. I have no idea what I was doing, because when you 3D print things, they have all these little layer lines from the nozzle, and so the paint got all in the lines and it looks awful now. I tried really hard. I used loads of different tools to try and get it out, but there's just no saving it. So what do you think I should do? Do you think I should reprint, or do you think it looks fine?